Alright, so today I'm going to be putting these Autolite XPs in my wife's 2017 Nissan Rogue. Alright, so today I'm going to be putting these Autolite XPs in my wife's 2017 Nissan Rogue. Alright, I got to start by removing the box that says Nissan on it in order to get to the spark plugs. There's hoses under it, and then there's a hose clamp right there. It's got two little hoses right there. Is one of them. Hopefully you can see that. And there's a shot of the spark plug coil packs under the air recirculation box. I'm going to start by removing that clamp. Alright, with the air box removed, you can see the fitting right there, and there's another one right there. There's your 4 spark plugs, and they are 10mm sockets, and the spark plugs are 14mm. I had to order a socket for it. I actually didn't have one, so I ordered one through Amazon. With the bolt removed, I will pull out the coil pack. With the wire clip removed and using a 10mm socket, I'll pull the coil pack out. With the bolt removed, I will pull out the coil pack. And with my extension and my 14mm spark plug socket on it, I want to remove the spark plug. And after removing the spark plug and comparing it to the one that I bought to make sure that they're the exact same they are, now I gotta gap them. And after checking the gap, they gap on 44, but my gapper goes to 45. But this gap is made for the iridium plugs. So I was told during tech school. That was several years ago. They may have a different one out now, but I picked this up so I could change plugs in a 2007 Chevy Silverado I had at the time. Then after gapping the plug and putting some anti-seize on it, very little bit, because I don't want to turn into the Tin Man, I'm going to install the plug. Now I'll run them in by hand until they get to the point where I have to use a ratchet, just to make sure that they're threaded straight and got a good starting thread. Now after the spark plug is installed, I'm going to reinstall the coil pack. Now time to repeat the process for the next 3 spark plugs.